Just wait a minute. I call my mother and ask permission. Hello? Hello? Hello, my mother. Tomorrow is my friend's birthday. Shall I go to birthday celebration? Yes, we'll go. Thank you for giving permission, my mother. Namrata, my mother is given permission to birthday celebration.
We can plan to Afra's birthday.
Where we celebrate Afra's birthday?
We celebrate in a cafe
Where it is have cafe?
in Kadiguda Circle.
Okay. Cool cake or normal cake?
Cool cake.
Bye, Namrata. We meet tomorrow.
Bye. Next day morning. Hi Bindu. All are ready to Afra's birthday?
Hello, Namrata. All are ready to Afra's birthday.
We can go cafe?
Yes, we can.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Dear Afra, may God bless you. Dear, may God bless you. Dear, happy birthday to you. Thank you, my dear bestie. And thank you so much for my birthday celebration.
It's okay.